And we're live. My head looks funny. Let me just start by saying this information on Kayla Bumpas is not meant to bash her, not meant to demean her in any way. I actually like Kayla, but this information that has come out this week is very troubling, and I think it deserves to be discussed. And it's, like I said, it's not meant to bash her in any way. It's just some troubling things have come up, and I feel it needs to be discussed, but in a civil manner and not, hateful or anything like that, because I really do like Kayla. So let's wait a few seconds here and then we'll get into it. All right. So now keep in mind, Kayla can marry whoever she wants. It's the apparent ethical issues of who she married. She has married Shannon B. Jackson, which looks like she married Shannon Stillwell. So that's not unethical. That's her business. However, the issues are that according to the Harris County website, and I'm not going to show the marriage certificate because it has her home address on it. I will not dox anyone. I just won't do that. Nope. Just know that I have it, and it says official copy. And it shows that on August the 25th that she married Shannon Jackson via Zoom, which Harris County allows marriages via Zoom. But what's at issue is, if you look at the Harris County website, it says that it was initially applied for in March of 2024. And then she went on and she was Kenneth Copeland's lawyer in June. And there's no evidence that she ever informed the court. I did watch the lead attorney last night, and he discussed this, and he said it is not unethical, but it is a conflict which should have been addressed, because now the attorney to a witness is now married to a defendant that the witness testified against. He said that's a clear conflict of interest. And like I said, I like Kayla. I just think that, there's something else going on. There's more stuff coming out that I have not researched yet. So I'm not going to talk about stuff that I haven't researched. I'll do a follow-up live when I research the new stuff. But she has been going to the jail, visiting Shannon, putting down attorney. When you put down attorney at the jail when you're going to meet someone, that gives you extra benefits. If you go as a friend or a loved one, there's a glass in front of you and them. If you go as attorney, you meet in a private room by yourself. That's troubling because, as far as I can find, she's not his attorney of record. Max Shard is his attorney of record. Unless she's got him on a civil case or something else that has not come to light yet, but that's not what I'm talking about. Excuse me. Um, there is, see, Dennis Byron from Hip Hop in, Info. He has the call logs where she put down attorney. You know, you when you log into a jail, you put down who you're seeing, you put down your name, you're the visitor, and then you have to put reason for your visit. If she's putting down attorney, she is basically trying to infer that she is giving him legal advice. And that can be a problem. Um, the other thing, okay, here's the pattern. Okay, the Harris County website shows that she applied for the marriage license in March. Then she was witness for Kenneth Copeland in the YSL trial against Shannon Stillwell in June. And then the website shows that she married Shannon Stillwell in August. Now, while she can marry whoever she wants, and it's not unethical for you to marry somebody, what is a conflict is that she represented Kenneth Copeland. And then if Kenneth Copeland gets called, there's 12 other defendants that are waiting to be tried. If Kenneth Copeland gets called as a witness in the rest of the other 12, how is she going to be his attorney when she's married to a current defendant? I just don't see how that works out. If somebody knows and can tell me, that would be great. See, it adds a whole level of not really unethicalness, but messiness. Now, there are people that have tried to say that she originally was hooked up with Kenneth Copeland. I don't know. I'm not here to get into any of that. But what needs to be taken care of is that Miss Sylvia apparently tried to extort $500 from her. And there are Mel Schiffer on X has the text messages that show that the text exchange. And this is very troubling because you don't, okay, extortion means to get someone to shut up about something by retrieving something of value. Okay, so Kayla did not want this she said to Miss Sylvia that she did not want this on YouTube or on TikTok. And then Miss Sylvia came back and said, well, if you want me to bury this, then you will have to pay $500. That's basically what her text says. That's extortion. That's saying, if you want this to go away, go away, and me not to talk about it, then you have to pay me $500. Clear extortion. And, like I said, I really like Kayla. Who she marries is her business. It's all this other messiness that's going on around that, you know, maybe she could get guidance on, like visiting him at the jail and putting down attorney when, it looks to be like that she was a girlfriend, now a spouse. And why now? The trial is nearly over. This seems like a rush. Um, is this to prevent her from having to testify against him? We're talking about Kayla, who testified on the ex parte meeting that she didn't know what an ex parte meeting was. She's a lawyer. Lawyers are supposed to know that. Just, very disturbing stuff. I wish Kayla well. She wants this to be private, but the issue is she's a public person. She has a YouTube account. And sometimes when you're a public person, you have to give up certain things. And so that's what I've got for y'all today. And when this other information, is proven, I'm not going to talk about information that I don't have proof on. Like I said, I've got the marriage certificate, and because it has her home address on it, I will not publish it. I just won't. I am against doxing anyone. So I will not do that. So that's what I got for y'all today. Talk to y'all later. Bye.